I am Dr. Eric Small. I am Assistant Clinical Professor of Pediatrics and Orthopedics at Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. I do pediatric and adolescent sports medicine full-time. I'm one of few physicians in the country who exclusively sees youth athletes. I take care of all healthcare needs of the young athlete, including sports injuries, sports concussion, and return to play protocol. I work with each child and with each family to explain the underlying condition that the child suffers from. The most common conditions that I treat are overuse injuries such as stress fractures. One of the most commonly overlooked body parts in the pediatric population is back. Back pain in adults is usually muscular or discogenic, whereas in children it often can be a stress fracture, especially those playing tennis, gymnastics, and soccer, those who do twisting activities. I have been in practice for over 20 years. I'm very gratified when I see patients at the age of 10 or 15, and 5-10 years later they're still playing their sport in college. I have treated kids from ages 10 to 30 who now have made it to Major League Baseball as well as to the U.S. Open. I look forward to treating all of the future star athletes in the future.